13th one, write a Python program to find the index of an item in a specified list. Okay. So in a specified list, we have to return index. Means suppose if you enter any element, if you enter any element from the keyboard, so you want to get return the index of that element. Okay. So simple one. So using index method, we can return the index of that any particular element. Okay. Suppose enter this index list from the keyboard and print it. List one. Okay. Now use print z is equal to some. Okay. Okay. Enter the element from the keyboard. Okay. N is equal to int input enter element from the keyboard to know the index. What is that element? Okay. Element from the keyboard. So to know the index, we have to enter some element from the keyboard. So now just enter y is equal to uh, index method. Okay, we have to use index method to get the element index. Some list one dot index method index and pass the element type. Okay, element as an argument here. Pass element as an parameter argument here. Okay, uh, index method. Using index method, we can return the index of that element, particular element. Okay, and print it. Print y. Okay, if you want to know the index of that element, use index method here. Simple. Enter list one here. Okay, I am entering here 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Enter any element from the keyboard. I am entering here 4. So index is 3 here. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 index is 3 here. Okay, if you want to know the index of an element in a list, if you want to know the index of element in a list, use the index method. It's simple using index method.